planning the perfect camping trip, a family adventure.
Hey, my little princess. We're going out this weekend. Where would you like to go?
I want to go camping, Dad.
Camping? That sounds interesting. Why do you want to go camping?
Because it's so much fun. I can play with Mom, you, and Jacob. We can ride bikes, row a boat, and even cook together. There are so many things to do. I really love camping.
Well, if that's what you want, then camping it is. We'll all go together this weekend.
Really? Are you serious, Dad?
Of course.
Thank you, Dad. I'm so excited.
Now tell me, where exactly should we go? I'll need to prepare some nice clothes and gear.
I haven't seen Amber this excited in such a long time.
Yes, she truly loves camping.
I love camping too. It's been ages since our family spent time together outdoors.
I know my work keeps me busy, but I'll try harder to make more time for you and the kids.
I understand. In the future, we should plan more family camping trips. It will be good for all of us.
Absolutely. This weekend will be the start of many more adventures. We'll need to plan everything carefully: food, tents, games. Let's prepare together. And don't forget to tell Jacob.
I'll let him know. He'll be thrilled.
Can I help pack, Mom? I want to bring my favorite blanket and some marshmallows for roasting.
Of course, sweetheart. You can be in charge of the marshmallows.
And I'll take care of the camping gear. Jacob can help me set up the tent when we get there.
This is going to be the best weekend ever.
Yes, it will. A perfect family time together.
Balancing respect and boundaries in friendship.
I'm not sure how to handle this situation.
What's going on? Who's bothering you? What's the situation?
My friend keeps canceling our plans at the last minute.
That sounds frustrating. Have you asked her why she keeps canceling?
Not yet. I don't want to sound confrontational, but it's upsetting for me.
I understand. Anyone would feel the same. If I were you, I'd gently share how you feel. Let her know you understand that things come up, but it's been disappointing for you.
That makes sense. I'm just confused. Shouldn't I respect her schedule?
Of course, respecting her schedule is important. But your time matters too. Friendships work best when both sides value each other's time.
You're right. That's fair.
You could explain that if this keeps happening, it might be hard for you to keep making plans. Say it calmly, so she knows you're not angry, just concerned.
Isn't that a bit too serious to bring up?
Not if you approach it kindly. You're not accusing her, you're just expressing how it affects you.
What if she gets upset or defensive?
Try not to overthink. Tell her you value the friendship and want to understand what's going on. That way, she'll see you're coming from a place of care.
Okay, I'll see how she responds.
And be open to her side too. Maybe she's dealing with something that makes it hard to commit.
True, I hadn't thought of that. Thanks for helping me see both sides.
Anytime. Friendships grow stronger when you talk honestly.